Bozilla Corporation injection molding specialists welcome you. Our topic for discussion today is, should finite element analysis be used on every tool? Finite element analysis, FEA, has been available to the injection molding industry since approximately 1978, when Moldflow produced the first simulation software to be used to optimize all phases of design and production processes for injection molded plastic parts. Over the years, FEA has proven to be a successful, cost-saving optimization method used for injection molded tool manufacturing. Prior to FEA, a typical method used to refine product and process was to cut tool steel and design a feed system based on experience with older comparable tools. This method is also known as the trial and error method. This type of guessing process has cost manufacturers thousands of dollars in retooling and time delays that could have been prevented if they had first utilized FEA to troubleshoot the product and process. So the question remains, should you use FEA for every tool? The answer is yes. Whether it is a new tool replacing an old tool running the same part, a new tool being built for a new part, or a new tool for an existing part, FEA can positively refine both the quality of mold and the process. FEA is a gift to plastics manufacturers in that it provides an inside look at both the product and process before any steel is cut or altered. The refinement of product and process allows the manufacturer to perfect their part and save both time and money by limiting or preventing future rework. Contact Bozilla Corporation to assist you in achieving a successful part based on your budget and timing goals for your next project. We will provide you with detailed project data, empowering you to make the most informed decisions to create a high-quality mold. The plastic injection molding experts at Bozilla Corporation have over 20 years of experience with Autodesk Moldflow software, feed system design, and field experience. We provide the highest degree of professionalism, knowledge, and quality to every project. Contact Bozilla Corporation today and let's get started.